In this video, we will explore the features and classroom applications of Ricky Adams' musictheory.net website. This site endeavours to give users a thorough understanding of many music theory related concepts, starting with the basics and progressing to advanced harmonic analysis. The website is divided into three main sections, the first of which contains 39 lessons that address a range of concepts, including rhythm, scales, intervals and chords. Each lesson is presented as a series of dot-point instructions and uses flash animations and musical examples to demonstrate concepts to the user. If we look at this lesson on scale degrees, for example, we can see that as the user reads and highlights each instruction, the concept is demonstrated in the flash animation. Some instructions also include musical examples so that the user can hear the effect of that instruction on the music being played. These graphics and audio examples are very important when we consider the oral and visual learning styles of students. The second section of musictheory.net is a collection of exercises designed to allow the student to practice listening for each of the new concepts. These exercises could be used by the teacher to assess student comprehension of music theory as they learn. The tests include both notated music and oral examples and may be customized to meet the needs of the class or individual student. Let's examine an exercise on interval identification. The teacher is given many different options in order to customize the exercise to suit the level of their students. The exercise itself has the student recognizing different intervals as notated on the music. The student then answers by selecting the appropriate button on the page. The teacher could use these exercises to assess students individually or have the whole class practice as a group. The exercises could be projected on a smart board to be used in a classroom discussion, and the flash animations can be printed, allowing the teacher to compile student worksheets if IT resources are more limited. Some exercises on this website have the student listen to an oral example to answer correctly. In this exercise, the student must correctly identify the interval that is being played to them. The third section of the website contains tools, many of which would be useful for a classroom music teacher. These include blank manuscript paper, which can be printed for use by students, a tempo tapper, which can be used to measure the tempo of musical excerpts, and calculators to determine intervals, chords, and other things. musictheory.net could be used in a Stage 4 classroom to develop students' understanding of key musical concepts such as pitch and duration. It could also be used to enhance students' ability to read traditional music notation, which is a skill that is required by the New South Wales Years 7 to 10 music syllabus. This skill is further utilised when studying harmonic analysis and composition in Stage 6. Exercises and lessons from the site are easily transferable onto media such as a smartboard or data projector, which allows the teacher to demonstrate the lessons in the group environment. Students can easily access the site at home or at school in order to revise material that they have learnt or to practice their skills with the exercises. musictheory.net does have some drawbacks. American specialist musical terms are used, rather than the European equivalents that are favoured by Australian musicians and indeed the New South Wales music syllabi. The website only addresses 2 of the 6 musical concepts that are mentioned in the New South Wales music syllabus, even though there is potential to include lessons on tone colour, texture, structure, dynamics and expressive techniques. This may be rectified as the site is edited in the future. In summary, however, Ricky Adams must be commended for what is a comprehensive and well thought out resource for music teachers and musicians alike.